Lanao del Norte. Bakbakan po ito ng Pure Foods DJ Giants. At siya po ang kanilang gwapong coach na si Coach Ryan Gregorio. At ito naman po ang kanilang mga kaharap. Itong well-coached Dragons. Talagang gutom na sa isang panalo para makahabol po sila sa ating team standings. As you can see, pinapakilala na po ang starting lineups for both squads.
Etong si PJ Simon will be starting just his second game para sa Pure Foods dito sa ating Fiesta Cup. Kumana nung previous game nila. Eto ngayon, nakakuha na ng winning formula si Coach Ryan ulit. Uulitin niya yung ginawa niya.
Ay, alam mo po, pogi rin naman si Coach Caloy Garcia at siyempre si Assistant Coach Alex Compton.
Sino ang pinaka-pogi sa tatlo?
Tayong dalawa.
Yan.
Tama na yan. Okay, so ito na po. Sisimula na po ang ating jump ball, pero meron po tayong mga opening toss, ceremonial toss po. Dito sa Mindanao Civic Center Gym, led by the Governor of Lanao del Norte, Governor Muhammad Khalid Q. Dimaporo. And of course, ito po yung ating mga hosts dito sa ating last na to, no? Yung PBA on tour natin. Marami na napuntahan po ang PBA all throughout the country, giving joy to the fans sa mga probinsya.
Yeah, we are getting really late in the elimination phase of the Fiesta Conference, kaya nga naman lahat ng game ay talagang mas lalong importante na, lalong-lalo na itong well-coat dahil napapag-iwanan na sila sa ilalim ng team standing.
Pero titignan mo naman yung mga talo ng well-coat. No? Maraming mga dikit na talo sila. Actually, ano na lang mga endgame decisions na lang nagkulang at hindi nila na-finish yung kanilang laro. They had good chances of winning a lot of their ball games dito sa Fiesta Conference.
Nakakwentuhan nga natin si Coach Caloy Garcia, no? Sa totoo lang kung if the breaks went their way, dapat 8 wins na lang sila sa ngayon sa Fiesta.
Yun nga lang, hindi pwede yung muntik na. Kailangan talaga tapusin. At ito na po, simula na ng ating laro and Pure Foods DJ Giants pumunta kagad sa kanilang higanting import na si Ralini, missing on his first try. Another driver, Kirby Raimundo, mintis pa rin. Balik na naman sila dito kay Ralini sa poste. Isa pang pagsugod. Wala na naman. And the fourth try in one possession. Or sa isang offensive set para sa Pure Foods.
Sa isang atake lang, nakatatlong offensive rebound talaga agad. Itong Pure Foods, pinakikita nila that they have the might to dictate the pace of the boards.
Ito na ang Pure Foods ngayon, starting off the game with zone defense. Itong maatake ng well-coat, wala yung tira na yun. J.R. Reyes, deep pass. Nasa lipat ng Pure Foods DJ Giants. Ito na si Roger Yap, sumugod, binigay ni Ralini, wala ng bola. Jairi Ibanez starting this game for the well-coached Dragons. Give and go play, he has to kick out. Corey Santi for three. Impress coming from Corey Santi. So dito, makikita natin dito sa starting lineup. This is a tall lineup para sa Pure Foods DJ Giants. Ralini at Raimundo. At ito may offensive foul. Ralini.
Pinapalakpakan na lang niya yung tawag na yun. Wala nang reklamo. And Marquis Gainus throwing that charge from Reda Ralini. Si Gainus, napagkwentuhan natin kaninang pregame, yung points niya hindi natin masyado papansinin, pero yung shooting percentage niya talaga mas mabigat dahil sa mga nasasayang na tira para sa Dragons.
Mas lalo nung last game ito si Marquis Gainus, 9% from the 2-point region. Ito naman si J.R. Reyes, short stop, wala. Goes to Peter Jude Simon. Simon, atake. Wala yung bola sa kanya, napulog dito ni Kirby Raimundo. Kirby Raimundo bumangga kay J.R. Reyes. And that's an offensive foul on Kirby Raimundo. May halong gigil dun sa galaw na yun ni Kirby.
Etong si Kirby Raimundo has been frustrated the last few games. Actually, in the last two, he has only shot 2 of 16 from the field. Kaya naman talaga dito gusto niya maging agresibo early on. Problema, yun nga, naging over-aggressive offensive foul ang tinawag sa kanya. That'll be his first personal.
Pag sumunod ka talaga ng 2 out of 16, talagang nakakasama yun ng loob para sa isang player.
Within 2 games, ha?
Oo.
Sa'yo, 2 games ba yun?
Talking from experience.
For 2 games din yan, Chard.
Kung swerte in time, ipasok in 2 games. Ito, nag-travel ito si J.R. Reyes.
Ang tinaguriang franchise player netong Welco Dragons. He's been stepping up as of late. Etong si J.R. Reyes. And only time will tell kung kailan lalabas na talaga yung tunay na laro netong batang to.
This is an interesting matchup para dito sa Welco Dragons. As you can see, ito si James Yap. Will be able to stop or limit itong si James Yap. Kanina si Ibanez ang kukuha pero nagkaroon ng switch. That's why he ended up with Cory Santi. Spin baseline ni J.R. Reyes, wala save by Yap, pero balik kay Reyes ang bola. He goes inside and gets the left-handed layup.
Reyes at the right place at the right time para mapulot yung bolang yun. He took it strong to the hole and Welco is back up on top with only less than 3 minutes having gone by in this opening period.
But this is also a tall lineup para sa Welco Dragons. They're starting with Marquis Ganos, they're starting with Joe Devance and J.R. Reyes. So Joe Devance playing the 3 position. We saw him guarding itong si Roger Yap pa nga kanina eh. As you see, itong si Peter Jun Simon also coming off a good game in their last outing para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants.
At napakalaking ball game talaga nun para kay Simon. 23 big points after going scoreless on 0 for 7 shooting nung laban nila kontra sa Alaska, kung saan tila nabugbog nga sila doon sa Inaris Center. Last time out versus Coke, 10 of 16 from the field para dito sa ating reigning All-Star MVP PJ Simon as he splits those charities.
Big confidence booster ngayon para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Ito na ngayon si J.R. Reyes wanting to posterize itong si Reda Ralimi. Gusto ng that one. Ito, sugod naman ni Peter Jun Simon. Sumobra lang ng konti. Roger Yap, wala pa rin. There's Jaire Ibanez. To wait for his teammates. Swing the ball around. Napunta dito kay Marquis Ganos. Wala. Offensive rebound. Hindi makontrol ni Ibanez. Tulog itong si J.R. Reyes.
J.R. Reyes operating underneath once again, pero it was the hustle of Jaire Ibanez that kept that possession alive for Welco. Ito, 2-point lead na sila.
Iwan ulit ng bola. Ito si Peter Jun Simon. Pumunta kay James Yap over the outside arm of Jaire Ibanez. Sila James Yap still waxing hot para sa Pure Foods.
Picking up where he left off nung huling game, 31 puntos ang ginawa ni James Yap versus Coca-Cola. Dito early on, 5 points na siya.
Welco still working against the zone defense. Inside-outside offense para sa Welco. Produces that DFS from Joe Devance. So as long as Welco can shoot from this well from the outside, tignan natin kung gaano katagal mag-zone itong Pure Foods TJ Giants. Peter Jun Simon gustong bumawi, masyado malakas.
Sobra lobo ng tirang yun, kitang-kita natin, ano?
Cross-court pass. Joe Devance goes closer. Balik ulit kay Devance. Here's Ibanez. Devance talaga gusto nilang patirahin. Ito na nga, tinira na nga ni Devance. Wala, defense still no good.
And it's nice to see Joe Devance trying to take it strong to the hole for a change. Minsan kasi nagiging komportable siya trying to just settle for the outside shots.
It's really nice to hear the fans really screaming every time si James Yap gets hold of